fidget spinner is going to go extremely fast in a few seconds. So yeah, this is the fidget spinner I promised on that video marathon that I did. I actually did like a bunch of YouTube videos like on one day.
You did?
Okay, so do it.
Start vacuuming your floor.
Wait. Oh my god, that is so much fast. That's super fast. Oh my god, that is so fast. Whoa! Look at that. That is so weird. Oh, is it okay? Fidget spinner okay? Fidget spinner still fine. Man, that was insane. Right, Reagan? Yeah, that was insane. Not to mention, this was one of our failed or success videos. So that 9,000 miles per hour fidget spinner experiment worked. So success. So this is a new series I'm trying, and the frozen fidget spinner video didn't go up yet. It got corrupted, so yeah. I decided to film this instead. So yeah, I don't have an air compressor, so we use the vacuum. Okay, that's not a vacuum. And then that's a leaf blower. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Remember, keep playing and game on.